Welcome back everyone. So how you can enable night light on Windows 11? Okay, so how we can do that? First of all, open the settings or search the settings in and open it. Now you can see the system option. Click on system option and now you can see the display option. Okay, the first one. So click on the display option. Here you can see the night light. Okay, use warmer cooler to help you to block the blue light. Okay, so you can just enable it from here. Okay, now we have enabled the night light. You can control its strength, higher, dark. Okay, and also you can schedule it from here. Okay, so that's it for today. And if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you, thanks for watching. Thank you.